How to add the Chrome search and Incognito search widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the Customize button on the left panel. That is the panel for the lock screen. Next, at the top here, tap on the Add Widgets panel. From the Add Widgets pop-up, we go down and then tap on Chrome. Next, in here, you can swipe across and then select Search to add the Search widget to the widget panel. Then swipe to the left and you'll be able to find the Incognito Search widget. So tap on that to add it to the widget panel as well. Then we close. Then we tap on the Close button to close the Add Widgets panel. And then go to the top and then tap on Done. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. After that, you can press on the side button or the lock button to go to your lock screen. And here, if I want to quickly start my Google Chrome in incognito mode, I can tap on that, put in my passcode, and Chrome will start in incognito. So that's it. So that is how you can add the Chrome widgets to the lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.